Curvature of discovery. Reconsidering curvature in physics. Curvature is one of the most familiar ideas in modern physics. We are taught that mass bends spacetime and that planets and light follow those curves. The metaphor is vivid, but it risks confusing the map for the territory. It suggests that curvature is a property of reality itself, when in fact it may be a property of our models. A metaphysical reframing of orbital geometry. The manuscript Curvature of Discovery proposes a reframing. It argues that curvature belongs not to the cosmos, but to the way we connect what was with what is. When we describe Earth's orbit, we know its present position. We also know where it was. To reconcile these positions, we construct a path. That path is curved, but the curvature is in the mathematics, not in the terrain. Distinguishing reality from reconstruction. The distinction is simple but profound. A straight relation describes reality as it is now. A curved relation describes how we predict or reconstruct change across time. The curve is epistemic. It is the shape of discovery, not the shape of space. Geometry as a tool of reasoning. This reframing has consequences. It challenges the assumption that geometry is written into the fabric of the world. Instead, geometry becomes a tool of reasoning, chosen for its predictive power. This aligns with conventionalist traditions in philosophy of science, where the form of our models reflects human choices rather than metaphysical necessity. Addressing epistemic and ontological concerns. Critics may object that this risks collapsing physical explanation into mere description. If curvature is only in the math, what grounds the success of general relativity? The answer is that predictive structures can be reliable without being ontologically literal. The dotted arc is not a geodesic in space-time. It is a record of how we bridge past and present in thought. Neutrality and the role of mathematical structure. The manuscript's neutrality is deliberate. It does not deny the utility of curved space-time models. It reframes their meaning. The curve is not a property of the universe. It is a property of our discovery process. By making this distinction explicit, the argument avoids reifying metaphors and restores clarity to the epistemic role of mathematics. Curvature as the shape of discovery. In conclusion, Curvature of Discovery invites us to reconsider what curvature means. It is not a bend in reality. It is the arc of reasoning itself, the way we connect what was with what is. Curvature, in this view, is metaphysical only in the sense that it belongs to the structure of discovery, not to the structure of space. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Curvature of Discovery, a metaphysical reframing of space-time. If you found this discussion valuable, I invite you to like, subscribe, and share so others can join the conversation. Since releasing my first video, my understanding of this subject has deepened. In my next project, I'll bring together all three essays to resolve earlier inconsistencies and present a clearer, unified perspective. I hope you'll stay with me for that journey, and if you'd like to read the full manuscript that inspired this video, you can access it here.